Gold and silver both traded bullish yesterday. We have seen metals forming a stronger support there on the downside, as we have discussed, that 2870 2860 zone for silver and 209498 zone for gold has formed a support, and we have seen a good rise as expected and predicted in our updates yesterday. Now, what to expect today? Big day today. The PCE data coming in from US will add lot much to the volatility. How to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till if you look at the early charts for gold here, you can see it is forming a very good support here at 2320 zone, and we know that 2320 2318, which was the resistance, is now going to be a good support here. You can see the moving averages crossing over here is a sign of bullishness, and it is also forming a very good support here. So now this zone at 2318.20, and again on the downside 2314.16. So as long as 2314 is respected, we have to be careful. Below 2314 is where slight bearishness may prevail. If you look at the stock IST, this is drop trying to rise, but MACD, if you look at it, has crossed over and it is trading bearish here. It has to again reverse crossover on the buy side, and then we can say that it is turning bullish. Else you can see lower highs are seen here, higher lows are seen here. It is under consolidation. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, if you look at, see, first drop, then retracement, then drop, then retracement. So possibly lower highs, lower lows is what it may try to do. Thus, it is very, very important for gold to now stay above 23 30 32 zone, and if and only if gold stays above 23 32, we can initiate a buying entry. And then beyond that, 23 36 23 41 are the two levels it needs to break. Beyond this, we will be looking forward to 23 50 and 23 60 levels directly. If gold stays above 23 36 40 zone, certainly we can say it is turning bullish. See, moving averages have started to converge here. It is not yet crossed over, it is still trading bearish. Our stock IST has dropped. MACD is bullish, RSI is almost running flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, we can see a greater resistance was seen, then a breakout here. We have to wait for it to break out beyond this zone in order to confirm reversal and a rise. Also, if you look at largely the formation here, drop, retracement, then the drop, then the retracement, and see lower highs, lower lows here. So thus it is very, very important for gold to break past by this zone, that is 23 36 40. And once it breaks beyond this zone, see what you can draw a parallel here. You can just take this line, shift it above where it is heading towards to, and this again 2340 levels will come into picture, and then 2350 levels should be the next resistance zone. So right now I will not say that it has turned bullish. We have to wait for a crossover. The moving averages are still trading in the sell side. Also look at this red line. It has formed a good support, and that is where we have mentioned that it has found the support. It may try to bounce back. Stock IST dropping from the overbought zone, while look at MACD. This is trading divergent. This is staying bullish. RSI is rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, bullish candles, you can see the size of the candles. The retracement candles, you can see the retracement size of the retracement candles. Now this is a nice flag. So if it breaks beyond 23 30 32, we can say 23 36, and then 23 40 41 levels should be seen. Very, very strong resistance will be observed there. Beyond this, we can look forward to a stronger rise, which can in fact take it towards double top levels. Stock IST overbought. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish, looking upwards. RSI running flat here. Coming to the day, on the daily charts, you can see moving averages which are trading with divergence have converged, not yet crossed over though. Also, if you look at it, is forming a nice flag. The lows of this channel are far below towards 2250 2240. Now other way to look at it is look at the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Now see the drop here and here, the magnitude is almost same. Then after this, it is dropped, but it is forming higher lows. So it suggests that there are very, very good support on the downside, which it is not willing to break. Second is on the upside. Now the resistance is from the 2050 period moving average. Look at the positioning here. We can see a greater resistance coming into picture here. So it has to break beyond this zone. Very, very clear. If it stays about 23 30 32, you can say that prices are reversing, and then we can look forward to higher levels. Now before we look into further details and I share the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates or the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charge. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, lower highs here are getting created. It is very, very important for gold to break past this zone, and then you can look forward to higher highs, which means 36 zone, 23, 35, 36 zone. Beyond this, 40, 41.5. So yes, as long as 23, 40, 41.5 is not taken, we have to be careful, and once it stays above this, we can look forward to 23, 52 levels. 23, 48, 52 should be the next resistance zone, and beyond this, sky is the limit. We can in fact wait for gold to move towards 2360 levels here. Now, even if it moves towards 2360, see lower highs here. So there is a possibility that it continues to trade bullish, create lower highs and higher lows. So this will still remain in a consolidation zone. The stochastic is rising. The MACD, if you look at MACD, it is almost running flat and at bottom. If it crosses over, which appears to be a bigger chance, which means there could be bullishness in the near future. If you look at the moment, drop, retracement, drop, and if it crosses over, this is going to be a stronger rise. The RSI is comfortable. So looking at, I will recommend you to buy here at 2330-32 zone, and then expect 2336, 2341, and then higher levels may prevail there, where we can in fact look forward to 2348-52 first target zone, 2360, 62.5 the next target zone. On the downside, a selling entry now is limited at 2318, 2320 zone, below which you can expect it to move towards 2314, 16, very, very near, but very good support. And if it draws below 2314, we will look forward to 2308, 2302, 2297, 95, and then 2290 levels. Below 2290, it is going to be trading majorly, where we can in fact see 2280, 2260, and lower levels as well. Take your trades accordingly. We may see swings. You have to trade with caution. You have to trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. Now see, silver on the hourly charts, moving averages have started to converge, but are still trading bearish. You can see we have seen good consolidation before this rise, then the retracement, it is rising again. Now it is very, very important for silver to stay above 2920, 2925 zone, which will take it towards 2950, 2960 levels. And if silver stays above 2960, you can say that prices have reversed, and then we can look forward to a rise towards $30 levels. But right now I can see it is creating lower highs, it is creating lower lows and trying to stay in this channel. Stochastic here is rising, signs of bullishness. The MACD here is also divergent and bullish, and RSI is also trying to rise. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at the 2 hour charts, you can see moving averages are trading with divergence. You can see the price is struggling at around 20-50 period moving average. Very, very important for it to stay about 2925, 2920 zone. And then on the upside, this is a zone which is going to provide maximum resistance around 2940-60. If you look at the movement here, right now I can see lower highs, lower lows. So we have to be careful here. As long as 2960 is respected, we have to be watchful with the movement of silver. Stochastic is rising. Look at MACD. It has crossed over at the bottom, trading with divergence, looking upwards, looking bullish. RSI is running flat. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts, if you look at the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Now it is very, very important for silver to break past by 2920, 25, and then the higher highs here will come into picture. See, this is a retracement channel, and thus 2940-60 is going to be of prime importance to us. Possibility of silver moving towards 2940 exists strong, but then 2940-60 is going to be a very strong resistance. And only if you see silver staying beyond 2960, we can say that it has reversed. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising here. It has crossed over, trading bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is also showing signs of bullishness. Coming to 4 hour charts, if you look at 4, see it is forming nice flag here. It has to break beyond 2920, 2925 levels in order to confirm further rise, and then we can look forward to 2940-60. Very, very clear. On the downside now, see on the downside, the drop, the retracement, the drop, the retracement. Now if you connect the dots here, you will find higher lows, higher highs. Now on the downside, I will recommend a sell at 28. See 2880, 2860. This is going to be a very strong support zone for silver for the day. Any drop below 2840-60 should take it towards 2860-80. Any drop below 2860-80, you should take it towards 2840, and in fact $28 levels. Possibilities there that if it breaks, it is going to be a sharper one. The stochastic rising. The MACD here has crossed over. This is sign of bullishness. It is trading with divergence. It is looking upwards. Good sign for the bulls. RSI is running flat. Coming to the daily. Now look at daily charts. See higher lows are seen, and if you connect even higher highs, Even if you see that at least it may try to hit the highs, 2940 appears to be feasible, and then on the upside it has to break past by this zone at 2960 in order to confirm the reversal here. Moving averages have started to converge. These have not yet crossed over. The stochastic is oversold, trying to bounce back here. The MACD is still trading bearish. It must try to converge crossover. Right now, not showing much signs of it. The RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2920, 2925 levels. Expect 2940, 2960 zone to get achieved. And if you see it is staying above 2960 this time, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a stronger rise, which can in fact take the prices towards $30 levels, close to $30 levels. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2880 levels. Expect 2880, 2860 is a very good support here. Below 2860 is where the actual bears will take over, where we will look forward to 2840 and 2810, $28 levels as the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. See you again before the US session. Subscribe and press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.